In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color tables in Google Docs. This new and easy way will make your data pop with just a few simple steps. Whether you want to add a splash of color to make your tables more visually appealing or just make them easier to read, the updated Google Docs interface has you covered. Let's dive right in and see how it's done. First, you'll want to open your Google Docs document. Head over to Google Docs by entering docs.google.com into your web browser. Once there, open the document that contains the table you'd like to add some color to. It's always a good idea to click around first if you're new to this interface, so you feel right at home. Ready to color a single cell? Simply right-click directly on the cell that you want to give some color. A context menu will pop up right where you clicked. Hover over the option that says Table Properties. This will bring up a small submenu. From there, you'll want to click on Cell Background Color. Now, choose your color from the palette that appears. Just like that, the cell should instantly change to reflect your choice. If you're looking to color multiple cells at once, it's just as easy. Start by highlighting the cells you wish to color. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse over them. Once you've selected the right cells, right-click on any of the highlighted ones. Again, hover over Table Properties, and then click on Cell Background Color, just like before. Select your preferred color from the palette, and all the highlighted cells will have the new color applied. Simple, right? Now, as an optional step, you might want to change the table border color. Maybe you want the lines around your table cells to stand out or coordinate with the cell colors. To do this, highlight the entire table. You can do this by clicking and dragging over the table. Or, you might find this easier, click anywhere inside the table, then go to Format at the top, followed by Table, and finally select Select Table. With the whole table selected, take a look at the toolbar at the top. Here, you'll find icons specifically for table borders. Click the Border Color icon. It looks like a square outline with a colored line beneath. Choose your desired border color from the palette, and voila! The borders of your entire table will adjust to your choice. And as a bonus tip, right next to the border color option, you'll find settings for border weight, allowing you to adjust the thickness of these borders, and border dash to switch between solid, dotted or dashed lines. Feel free to experiment with these settings to discover what fits best with your document style. So, there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've transformed your standard table into a colorful and more engaging visual feature. Thanks for watching, and happy coloring in Google Docs.